red-tailed catfish is a large species of long-whiskered catfish. They can reach up to 1.8 metres in length and 80 kilograms in weight. They are bottom dwellers and move quite slowly. Black pacu can reach up to 1.1 metres in length and 44 kilograms in weight. Its teeth are molar-like for crunching and crushing plant seeds and nuts. They often live for up to 40 years, but can live up to 65. The Brazilian white-kneed tarantula comes from the Amazon basin in northern Brazil. The females, which are larger than the males, can reach a leg span of around 22 centimetres. It is a fast-growing terrestrial species. The hairy-headed leafcutter ant is a fungus-growing ant with colonies of up to 5 million, with a queen that can live for over 20 years. Their nests can be up to 7 metres deep and have to be positioned to allow an airflow to remove the CO2 produced by the fungus that they eat. Different members of the colony have different jobs, such as tending the fungus, managing the rubbish dump, or collecting leaves.